Good afternoon. What we discussed last class? It's a photoelectric effect we are discussing now. Need to revise from by using NCRT book. Can you open NCRT book or your material also? In that's also fine. Your material NCRT book, whatever you have source, open that is. Open that photoelectric effect definition. You need to write, sir, by using NCRT book. Photoelectric effect definition. Write photoelectric effect definition. Getting my voice or not? Someone they are telling not audible. Please check it. I'm audible. We are getting my voice or not? Please check it. Shravan, Tarun Kumar, check it. Are you getting my voice or not? Fine. Okay. So photoelectric effect definition I need. You may can check it from NCRT book. Can you open, please? Photoelectric effect. complete definition first. Then we will do that one remaining derivation and problems we can write. I'm opening NCERT book. Please try it. Once definition completed, let me know that one. Page number 41. The computer definition very fast. No. Open NCERT book. From that, anything they mention definition, please check that one. Open NCERT book. Please check it. Is for the definition they given. Please check. Then, if they given any definition, please note down. Very good. Page number 41. Someone they given. Everyone open your textbooks are there given. After that, continue that one 3 points. Then the 3 points you can read first. Then we'll discuss our first 2 points you can read. The electrons are ejected from the metal surface as soon as the beam of light strikes the surface. There is no time gap between the striking of light and the ejection of electron from the metal surface. The number of electrons ejected is proportional to the intensity of brightness of light. Clear? So I think so these 3 points you can find out. Now I am going to discuss one by one. Yes, very good. Kanish, same but points only. That is the reason I told that on the rest only please didn't come something. But I don't know how many people have done. So that experiment things the given diagram and everything we can see very properly the given diagram. They are sending light and surface ejected electrons. That ejected of electron they are counting, even that is nothing but electricity. Clear? But I am writing rough diagram. Is the metal surface. Each one is the electrons, all these things. When sunlight they fall down, so they can absorb each one electron cell. each photon can absorb only one electron. These are this. Each one is h nu, h nu, h nu. I hope you noted down all these points. Which you are sending energy is E at function, that is W naught. Array, a particular element, all electrons have same work function or same minimum energy, that is called threshold energy. That's called threshold energy. Please find out the code. We are saying more energy, extra energy converted into kinetic energy of the electron. So E equal to, make right, h nu. This is W naught work function. I can write h nu naught. Work function also energy. That is also I'm mentioning some energy used to remove of electron starting point. I think last class we discussed. Please check it here. Extra energy is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of the particle is half mv square. What is the m means here, sir? What is the m? What the m means here? Half mv square I given. What is the m value? M means mass of whom, that is electron. This is a particle here, electron, sir. Which is a eject particle, that is electron. Please note down, this is electron mass. Okay, try it right now. Half mv square equal to h nu minus h nu naught. So m v square equal to 2 into h nu minus h nu naught. Then v equal to, I need the expression, 2 into h I can take common by m nu minus nu naught. So I can write root of this is the velocity of electron. Please keep in mind mass of the electron. This is the formula for velocity of the electron. Okay, what does the nu means? Sending frequency, sir. Incident radiation. Spelling you can check it. Incident radiation frequency. Nu naught. Array spelling you can check it. Threshold. What is the frequency spelling? Threshold. Is it correct? Threshold frequency. Threshold frequency. Please end that spelling, otherwise you can write properly. Threshold frequency, nu naught equal to threshold. threshold. Okay, you can know na. Threshold frequency. Threshold frequency. Array previously discussed in terms of energy, sir. E is the incident energy, and minimum work required to remove electron, that is work function, or minimum energy, that is threshold energy. Even you can write, sir, here W naught equal to, what is the spelling, sir? Threshold given someone. threshold. Threshold energy or work function. So that's same. threshold energy or work function, both are same. So velocity of electron also be given, which is affecting this electron, that moving with how much speed, that is the electron velocity, sir. Or you can see everything you can imagine from this diagram, which I am sending energy is h nu. It's the minimum energy required to remove that electron, that is a nu naught or w naught. Every electron they have some naught, but particular element have that is fixed value. And after ejecting electron that can move with some speed, that speed or velocity of the electron also we find out. Understood? A new symbol frequency. Nu naught means threshold. Any doubt you can ask right now? Please check it. Any doubt? Any reason today strength is less? Approximately 15, 16 people less, or not 15, 20 people approximately. At 25, why that less? Any reason? No power. Okay, fine. E means electron. We are discussing about E. E means electron, sir. E meaning electron. Please note down. V equal to velocity of electron. V equal to velocity of electron. What the M E equal to? Mass of electron. Meaning of threshold is the scientist name meaning first. Threshold energy means minimum energy required to do anything. Suppose to join 10 to 11, sir. That one. Your civics students you completed 10 to 11. You should be pass your 10th standard. This time Corona yearly that one. Regularly I am talking about. Okay. Suppose you need to pass science marks required, especially science stream. How many marks required to pass 10th board exam? How many marks required officially? To pass 10th standard officially, how many marks required? Science subject. Okay. Minimum marks out of that 35, I think so. Is it correct? You don't want 35 enough for 100. Huh? Out of 100, 33 or 35. So what are the minimum marks to get to join the standard, sir? Minimum will be called threshold score. So to join somewhere, that minimum require, that minimum barrier, that is threshold score or threshold. In the case of energy, threshold energy. In the case of marks, threshold marks. That minimum required to do that to join 11th standard. Yes, minimum requirement. Threshold means minimum requirement. After that, you may do more. We are getting that minimum means that minimum 35. We are getting less than 35 means you can't join, no? You can't pass 10th standard like that. So whenever that reach minimum that value, then you are able to do that one. Suppose you want to become topper, you have to get out of 100 maximum, that is topper. But minimum score to join 11th, 35 marks out of 100. Minimum values are always we have to do. That's the threshold meaning. Now I am taking in terms of wavelength also. Just look on the screen, then you can write, sir. Now we can check it. Lambda naught means threshold wavelength. Previously in terms of frequency, now in terms of wavelength. When we make and take LCM properly, we will get velocity of electron equal to 2 hc by m lambda naught minus lambda by lambda m2 lambda naught. Check it, check it. Which is given all these things correct or wrong, you can find out. This is in terms of wavelength. Completed. Once completed, just say completed. We can move further. Sir, so now here my question is, we are drawing one graph, frequency versus kinetic energy. Here, I hope everyone you noted down. I'm expecting this graph. Means in the sense in the equation. This part is completed. So E equal to h nu, nothing but h nu naught plus kinetic energy. So we can write here kinetic energy equal to h nu minus h nu naught. Correct? This is the thing. Assume that one. This is now we are drawing graph kinetic energy. Suppose you are drawing this is kinetic energy equal to mx c. This is kinetic energy you can take. I think slope is negative. Wait. I can give weight, sir, properly. Proper diagram we can get. Every element they have minimum energy, that is we call threshold frequency, sir. Frequency required to remove of electron, that's we call nu naught, that is threshold frequency. This is the frequency of element. You may extend, sir, this one if you want. Then slope is equal to here h, that is Planck's constant, and intercept which you are getting, sir. You may can take these are the intercept h nu naught. So you are exposed to write mathematics graphs. You may can check it. This is frequency versus kinetic energy. Frequency increases, kinetic energy increases. That's I'm going to be proved with respect to theoretical. First, note this graph. I will explain very clearly. Is it correct or wrong? Also, you can prove with explanation. Just note down that graph only. Once completed, let me know that one. We can give explanation. Now we can see, array, you are going to give everything, sir. You are going to give yourself. Just I'm asking questions, you are going to give answers. Just check it. Is it correct or wrong? That's it. So first case is a metal surface. Electron energy is 20 joules, sir. That is the threshold energy. Make an assume threshold energy or W naught work function. I am sending wavelength here. Frequency, you can assume that one, sir. Frequency or energy, anything we can assume that one. Frequency is nothing but energy only because E equal to h nu. Indirectly, frequency is nothing but energy only. Frequency nothing but energy. Please mind. So I am sending here 40 joules of energy. Electron ejector not. What is the expected kinetic energy? 20 joules. This is work function, do not. This is E. I am sending same mail. This only. Now I am sending 50 joules of energy. What about ejected kinetic energy? Ke equal to how much? 30. Is it correct? So if you are sending incident radiation, energy is more. Energy or frequency. Then kinetic energy of the electron increases or decreases? This is incident radiation. This is incident radiation. Incident which you are sending, sir. Incident radiation. This is photoelectron. This is minimum value, that is threshold energy. So by increasing incident radiation or frequency, kinetic energy increases. That's only graph. Every element they have minimum frequency, that is 20, sir. Here this part is minimum frequency 20. In the form of frequency you can take. After that which you are increasing, then kinetic energy increases slowly. How much you are increasing in frequency, that much energy will be increases. Threshold frequency is there, that is minimum for every element. Understood? So I am giving here first case. Nu greater than nu naught or E greater than E naught. So photoelectric effect takes place or not? So you are sending frequency, sir. So you are sending 50 joules, that is, and nu naught is the 20. Photoelectric effect takes place or not? Or we are sending energy is more or frequency is more? Please write. Photoelectric effect takes place. Write sentence here. Photoelectric effect takes place. And electron have some kinetic energy. Second point. Nu less than nu naught. What about here? No photoelectric effect, sir. Is it correct? Is it correct? No photoelectric effect. Which I am sending energy is less than nu naught. Diagrammatically you can note down, sir. I mean, this is the situation. We have here electron It have 20 joules of energy requirement, but I am sending here 10 joules. So no photoelectric effect, not possible. Okay, not. First case, here electron is there, we are sending here 50 joules of energy, but requirement is just 20, sir. So photoelectric effect takes place or not? Here requirement is 20, that is that one, nu naught, this is nu. Nu greater than nu naught. So electron can eject. That is the first one, photoelectric effect takes place and have some kinetic energy. Right, 20 joules require means I'm sending 30, sorry 50, then extra 30 is kinetic energy. Here I am sending requirement is 20, but I am sending 10. That's why no photoelectric effect. Right, to get pass, we require 20 marks, but I am giving only 20, 10 marks you got. Can you pass it? You can't pass. The third case, exactly equal. What happened? Nu equal nu naught. So I am sending here, this is required 20 joules. I am also sending 20 joules. Then right, photoelectric effect takes place. But kinetic energy of electron is 0. Just electron injection, that's enough. That won't take place too much fast. That won't move. Right, all cases 3. 0 kinetic energy, correct. 0 kinetic energy. Yes, correct only. That is the only point. A work function, threshold frequency, threshold energy, all are same. The energy required minimum energy, that is only work function. That is only threshold frequency. That is only minimum energy. Pranav, all have same meaning. I am discussing 3 cases with respect to 20. The 20 is the work function. What's your doubt here? Work function meaning. All 3 cases I took 20 only without confusion. That minimum energy or minimum frequency required. Those only work functions are work energy, minimum energy. Keep in mind which is your pass mark is the minimum work threshold or work function. If you are getting more than energy you are supplying means you can get next step, less than this that won't take place. Next, intensity, sir. Intensity nothing but suppose intensity of light. Same energy number of photons, correct? Same energy or frequency contain more number of. This is my own sentence formation, but you can try your own because you know very well English. That's why. Same energy or frequency contain more number of photons. Photons. Combination or bulk photons, but same energy. That's we call intensity. Vijay Rubesh, electron can come out easily, but they can't move. That's the case. But exactly case won't happen. But even happened also, movement of electron is just ejected, they can stop. because you are supplying some energy. Suppose exactly 35 marks you are getting, you are also pass. Even 99 also pass. But 35 are exactly not allowed to pass me. What we can do then? Like just pass only. I think we can see here. Are more number of photons combination, but same energy or frequency. What is the meaning of dark red? Mean dark red or dark yellow meaning? What is the light yellow and dark yellow meaning? Difference? What is the difference, sir? Yesterday also discussed that point, but again for you one more time. Theory only taking too much time. Then when we can solve problem. So I am sending here energy, sir. This is 20 joules. Assume that one. All the electrons is 20 only. So I am sending just 40 joules contain. 40 joules. That's only 40 joules contain more number of photons. So what is the ejected electron kinetic energy? Ejected electron kinetic energy. Ejected electron kinetic energy how much? Array threshold frequency or threshold energy 20. I'm sending 40. But I'm sending more number of photons. More number of photons. You know that condition. One electron can take place only one photon. So kinetic energy 20, 20, all 20, 20 only. Is it change any kinetic energy? Even you are sending again 200 photons extra also you are sending. 200 number, but they contain only 40 joules. Sending 5, but next time I'm sending 200 also, but they contain 40 joules only. Is it kinetic energy anything is changing? I given some example. This require 20 joules, but I am sending. Assume that one electron only is there to understanding purpose. We are sending 20 photons or 5 photons, doesn't matter. Kinetic energy of the electron will change anything. I am sending the 40 joules contain photon. Again 40 joules. What is the kinetic energy of the electron here? Kinetic energy of the electron. Kinetic energy of the electron here, sir. I am sending here 3 photons, but it will take place only one photon. The ejected electron contain. Kinetic energy is 20 joules. By increasing number of photons, kinetic energy increases or decreases or remains constant. By you are sending more number of photons, kinetic energy of the electron increases or decreases or remains same. Kinetic energy never changes, sir. Even I am sending here 30 photons also, but 20 joules only energy. But more number of electrons we can get out, but same kinetic energy. So intensity versus kinetic energy, sir. Intensity versus kinetic energy. So kinetic energy remains constant, which change independent, or Ke versus intensity. Kinetic energy remains constant. So you can write, okay? Kinetic energy of electron independent of intensity of the light. Next, increase the intensity of the light. What happened? More intensity increases means more the number of photoelectrons increases. Number of photoelectrons increases. Therefore, photoelectric current increases. This is a complete concept, sir. Now at least you can try to solve some problems. Well, Ashwin, your question went gone back ago. What's your question first? Yes, correct only. Na? Nu means frequency, not V. New. Nu means frequency. Correct only. Na? What's the problem? And nu, wherever I am using symbol, this is nu. That is frequency only. So intensity meaning same energy content, more number of photons. That is the intensity. Intensity means same energy but more number of photons. That's we call intensity. Okay. I'm dictating these 2 points. Please write. Kinetic energy of in. Wait. Kinetic energy of electron. Please write here 2 statements. I'm dictating. Kinetic energy of electron independent. Please write, sir. Independent of intensity of the light. Or you can write sentence. I am dictating. Please write. Kinetic energy of the electron independent of the intensity of the light. Independent of intensity of the light. Independent of intensity of the light. That's only prove that one here graph. What is the graph? This one I am explaining, sir. Intensity versus kinetic energy independent, straight line. Independent. Correct? Then next. By increasing intensity of the light, number of photoelectron increases. By increasing the intensity of the light, number of photoelectrons increases. Therefore, photoelectric current increases. Current means flow of electrons only. That is nothing but flow of electrons. So you can check it here. I'm sending more number of photons which is contain same energy. Then more electron ejected here. More electrons means more the electricity. More the intensity of the light, more the number of electrons can releases. More the intensity of the light means more the number of electrons releases. Okay. Then more electrons means that is indirectly more the current. Electron flow only current. If I am sending more intensity means more number of photons fall down to the metal surface, then more number of electrons can eject. But all those electrons have same kinetic energy. Because intensity, kinetic energy, no change, no reduction. Yes, K is remains constant. But number of electrons increases or not? Number of electrons flow only electricity. More the electrons, more the current. Photoelectric current. Any doubt, please? More than, note down that point also. More the number of electrons, more the photoelectric current. Please note down that point. Here, number, intensity and number. Those are relation. Kinetic energy and frequency or energy is the relation. Intensity and number of electrons have relation, and kinetic energy, frequency or energy is the related. Kinetic energy. I think you got it. Atomic structure, material. Do you have atomic structure, material? Okay, fine. Is it soft copy or some other thing? Hard copy. Soft copy or hard copy? That is this two. Not inside book. Material. 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 Okay, fine. Again today who are not understanding, please read today our class notes which is noted down points 2 to 3 times. And same diagrams and examples, look that one, try to understand. No rule that one everyone they can understand first time you are listening. So read 2 to 3 times, then you can understand. I'm explaining number of electrons. If number of electrons increases means electric current increases. That's only. Means volts in terms of volts. More voltage you will get. That's the only. Intensity means same number contain photons but more number of photons. Intensity. Red, dark red is there, light red is there. What's the difference then? Both red only, na? Then how can you say difference that is? That intensity, meaning that is what the intensity. That's try to find out. So take break, do tomorrow, just read and solve some problems. Direct formula based questions you can try it. Direct formula based questions you can try, then come tomorrow at least. Try 10 sums. This is the only homework. 10 sums. Till now, atomic structure, whatever you covered, try 10 sums. Take break. Thank you. Whatever you want, you can do. Textbook sums, NCRT book, as well as even seekers package, anything you can try it, sir. But ultimately try 10 sums. Hey.